Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to tie a simple shrimp fly. I tie this on a traditional shrimp from Ahrex, and I use those Shrimpshell from Pro Sport Fisher. It's the one called WOE without eyes. And gonna start with the hook. I'm gonna add a little bit of weight. I'll tie in some darting. This one is SLF Saltwater in Fluo shell pink, just to give a hook point in the back and a good base for the rest of the flies, especially the eyes. Gonna use the easy shrimp eyes in the small model, extra small it's called. This color is the new color, Sunburst orange. Gonna take a bit of Mallard. I'm gonna use a bit of polar fiber, Polarbear, so just some long fibers, and I use a little bit of some fluorescent fibers here called Saltwater electric hair. And I'm gonna tie in my rib, nylon thread. And then I have my Shrimpshell. And I use a light rainbow dubbing with a lot of fluorescent fibers in. Just gonna build up the body so it's a little bit more bulky in the back close to the eyes and more slim in front. Then I'm gonna brush out the dubbing a bit. just on the top here. Then I'm gonna take back my shield and tie it in with my monofilament thread. Just help the fibers from the dubbing a little bit down so you don't get it on top of the shield. So we're just gonna use some brush to get the fibers out. And then we're just gonna secure the shield with the thread with some UV resin, just a little bit, and only on the lower part where we have secured with the mono rib. And when I put the lamp on, you can easily see all those nice fluorescent fibers in this fly. Like this. I use it for sea trout in Scandinavian, and I think you should give it a try.